The first question, is it assumed that you live with your parents even after college?
Yes, it is true. After my college, I lived with my parents.
Is it expected that you live with your parents when they get older?
Yes, it is expected that we should live with our parents because when they get older, they don't have someone to look after them. So we have
Mm.
to look after them.
This is you and this
Yes,
person right next to you. What is that person?
a brother,
No?
no, just you can say, of my age group, right?
Yes. Oh, so this is your
No.
brother. Okay, this is your
Hmm.
brother here, and
Okay,
this is your sister, right? Because they are your parents' children. You can see here. Okay,
right, right.
right? Okay, but this one,
You can say he's my cousin brother.
no. Okay, so let me show you again clearly. Okay, if this is you, okay, and this person
Yes.
next to you, that is your spouse. So spouse is either your
Oh,
husband for this lady. Okay,
oh,
she's
okay.
married because they have children.
Children. Oh, right,
Yes.
right. Now I got it, sir.
All right.
Right, sir.
Who is this? Who is this?
She's my, you can say the
Related by
sister-in-law.
marriage. Yes. Okay.
And sir, below there are, you can say the nephew and niece.
Niece. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Nice.
Nephew and niece.
Niece. Right, sir.
Yes. All right. Perfect. And then, of course, at the bottom, it is your children. Okay. Your children right here.
Right,
Okay.
right, sir.
Right, so now we have our grammar it as a dummy subject. Okay, can you please read from the top?
Okay. Yes, sir. So,
Mhm.
begin from the this when there is no subject
From the top, yes.
or
That
just
is
an
the top.
example. Okay.
From the top.
So, okay. When there is no subject attached to a verb or if a subject is too long, it is used as a dummy subject. Oftentimes, the real subject comes after an adjective or dead clause.
Hmm.
Right, sir? Hmm. It plus adjective plus to verb. Example, it is important for my family to spend time together. The real subject is to spend time together.
Hmm.
It is that plus subject plus verb. It is expected that I call my mother every weekend. The real subject is I call my mother every weekend.
Yes, okay, perfect. All right, so that is using it as the subject, okay, or the dummy subject of a sentence. Okay,
Right, sir. Right, sir.
right,
So that
good.
is like you can say the introductory sentence, right?
Into the what?
Introductory. Sir, it is like the introductory sentences
Yes,
where we give the introduction.
and
Right, sir.
any questions here?
No, no, sir.
No questions. Let's continue. Right, so now it says grammar practice. Can you restate the sentences below using the dummy subject it? Okay, for example, men work outside the home. Let's start with number one.
Right, sir.
Hmm.
Women are better at child rearing. So we can start with this. It is commonly believed that women are better at child rearing.
Okay, good.
Right, sir.
Yes. Hmm.
Second one, family members help each other when in need. So the sentence may be like this: It is expected that family members help each other when they are in need.
Hmm. When in need, yes. Hmm.
Yes. The third one, children take care of their parents when they get older. So the sentence is like it is assumed that children take care of their parents when they get older.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Right, so that was using it as a dummy subject. Okay.